Hey everyone, Eric with Rocket H, and today I have some custom artwork I need for this truck. Now, normally I have third parties do all my decals. However, because this is a white truck, I can go ahead and do these decals myself. Let's get started. Here I have this truck for Sharkey Construction Inc. I need the door decals on both driver and passenger door. These DOT numbers. Side of the bed we need the company name and the artwork there, the stripes, and then on the hood we need the stripes, and then up here is the driver's name. First thing we're going to do is go find the photos where we can get good images of everything we need. What I have here is just a snipping tool. You can edit the image itself, but for me it's just a little quicker if I just take a snapshot of the image I want to have my graphic designer replicate. So we're just going to grab all of this, and then I'm going to use writing tool here. We need this. We're going to save this image on my desktop here in a folder I titled Mike, the owner's name. We're going to call this Mike 1 because we have multiple images to save. Here's the next image we need. I'm going to grab this skull over here and these pinstripes on the hood. And then we will we're going to save that as Mike 2. There we go. As Mike 3. We'll call this Mike 5. And then we need to get the DOT numbers in here, and we will do that here. And that should do it for this particular project. We'll do Mike 6. Next, we're going to go to another project I'm doing for Mike. Okay, here we are at the next project I have to do for Mike. We're going to scroll through the photos and see what we've got to work with. And we need a large breast cancer awareness ribbon, which we can get from the hood. We'll just resize it once we get it. I'm looking for a close-up of the door. Here we are. I'm just going to zoom in on our screen here and make that just a little smaller so we can get it all in one clip. There we go. 6. And finally, we need the name right here, Bill, to go with this. And save. Okay, that part of the project is done. Here we are at Fiverr.com. This is where I hire graphic artists to do work like this. You can get it pretty affordable. This is one of the freelancers I've been using for a long time. We kind of know each other. He knows what my expectations are, and it works out very well. So we're going to type a little message. So here's my message, and you saw that I was able to get all of the pieces of artwork uploaded, and it's still working. So as soon as that's done, we'll go ahead and select enter, and off we go. Now we'll wait for Mr. Logo to send me a custom offer. What that will mean is he'll calculate a price for all this artwork, and then he'll send me an offer. I can accept it or decline, and then once I accept it, I'll pay the bill, of course, and then he has a specific amount of time in order to get all this art completed. And when that's done, I'll go ahead and shoot another video showing you how to resize all this artwork and make your decals. Okay, thanks for watching.